Hey there, it's Dayna from Nellie DeeCee Crochet. Today I'm going to show you 2 ways to hold your crochet hook. Well, my grandmothers taught me when I was a little girl, and the way that they taught me was to hold your hook kind of like a pencil and crochet like this. So I haven't crocheted this way in a while, so sometimes even now it's a struggle. But this is how you would do it. You would hold your hook like a pencil and turn your wrist like so as you crochet. Now, one thing I have found is that when you hold your hook like this, your wrist tends to get tired out more quickly. So I remember one year I was doing a big project and my wrist got tired and I just grabbed the hook like this, I guess without thinking, and started crocheting, holding my hook overhand. So this is the second way that you can hold your hook. And this is really the way I prefer, and I've seen most crocheters hold their hook. You have a little bit more control, and if your hook has a flat spot, which really is the best kind of hook, then you just grasp that section with your thumb and index finger, and you can more easily control your hook and turn your hook as you crochet. Anyway, so those are the 2 ways to hold your hook as you crochet. There's the pencil hold, and then the way I recommend, which you have more control over, is overhand gripping your hook like this. So I'm Dayna from Nellie DeeCee Crochet, and I hope this has been helpful, and I'll see you on another video. Bye-bye.